Hi everyone. It's great to see you again. Yesterday, we explored how our AI solutions are accelerating the development of intelligent applications with all the performance, reliability, and security that our platform already provides. Today, we're going to show you even more amazing updates, advanced features, major improvements to the products you already know and trust, and a vision for the future of applications. We'll go into detail about how Edge functions, our product for running applications directly on Azion's highly distributed infrastructure, can transform your business. We'll also see how H5 takes your data performance to a whole new level and introduce the tools that make deploying on Azion even simpler and more powerful. Get ready to discover the full potential of Azion to accelerate your innovation and achieve even greater results. Let's get started. Today, more than ever, the performance, security, and scalability of your applications, as well as AI, are what define your business success. That's why Azion continues to invest in building a comprehensive platform. This allows you to focus on what you do best, innovating and delivering value to your users. Our platform offers a wide range of products and features, from acceleration for your applications running on your preferred cloud provider or on-premises, to complete hosting of applications and distributed databases on our infrastructure. All of this ensures your applications are always close to the user, delivering the performance, security, and reliability that are recognized hallmarks of Azion. Whether you're building an application from scratch, modernizing an existing one, or looking to boost the performance and scalability of a legacy application, Edge Functions is the answer. It was built with a clear goal: to make application development simple, powerful, and accessible to everyone.
Edge Functions is our serverless product designed to run your applications directly on Azion's distributed infrastructure. With ultra-low latency, you don't need to worry about the infrastructure. Azion takes care of that for you, automatically scaling according to your application's demand. Best, there's no cold start. With Edge Functions, you can build anything from a simple A/B test, email and request to your origin, to hosting full-stack applications. For static sites, the solution uses Azion's Edge storage as the origin, delivering a simple, highly scalable, and reliable solution. For dynamic applications, we support various execution formats, from native JavaScript, TypeScript, and WebAssembly functions to rendering models like server-side rendering. We continue to innovate to make Edge Functions the best platform for your applications. Our support for frameworks keeps growing. Today, we already offer native support for Next.js, Vue, React, Angular, Gatsby, Astro, and many more. This means you can host your application built with these frameworks on Azion, taking full advantage of our platform's performance, scalability, and security benefits. To accelerate your modernization project or the development of a new application, dozens of templates for e-commerce, websites, blogs, documentation, and many others are also already available. See how easy it is to get started in clicks. You can create a new application and customize it on the platform using a template. If you prefer, you can also use live coding tools like Lovable to build applications and host them on Azion. In the coming weeks, we will release support for Next.js 15. And an exciting new development is the launch of our official Open Next adapter for Next.js, with support for the Next.js deployment API. This will enable a simple and straightforward migration of your Next.js applications, starting from version 12, from any provider to Azion. Additionally, we will also offer full support for Next.ssr. We are committed to continuously adding more frameworks and, most importantly, expanding support for Node.js APIs and InterTC, making Azion the ideal platform for any application. We have implemented a large number of new Node.js APIs and Edge Functions, including FS, Crypto, Process, HTTP, HTTPS, Events, Stream, and much more. This means that a significant portion of applications written in Node.js are now natively supported by Azion, benefiting from all the advantages of the platform, such as performance, scalability, and security. In the coming months, we will become the player with the highest compatibility with Node.js. The market is rapidly moving toward the adoption of open standards in application development, and we are very pleased to support this transition. Recently, The ECMA International Organization took a fundamental step in this direction by incorporating enhancements. Any application that follows this Web API standard is automatically compatible with several industry players, allowing for greater flexibility in choosing a platform. We don't want you to feel locked in. We are fully committed to supporting enhancements and assisting clients in adopting best practices so you can move to or from Azion without any lock-in. Currently, our compatibility exceeds 80% with the web APIs defined by enhancements. If you are working on a modernization project or about to start a new application, talk to our team to understand how these standards can help. And for your most demanding applications, the available execution times and limits for running applications have also improved significantly. The maximum CPU time for an Edge Functions request is now 5 minutes, and the maximum application size is 20 megabytes. Compared to similar solutions on the market, this means that Azion supports the longest execution time and the largest applications available, giving you the freedom to run more complex workloads and bring larger applications without having to break them into smaller pieces. Edge Functions now connects directly to even more products within Azion. You now have native access to the Cache API to manage cache programmatically, Edge Storage for direct access to your object storage, and Edge SQL to interact with your distributed database. We have also expanded security capabilities. It is now possible to build advanced logic directly in Edge Functions using features such as network lists, drop, and deny, allowing you to create custom firewalls and protect your applications against fraud, bots, and unwanted access. With this flexibility, it is possible to develop robust protection solutions directly on Azion, such as the Azion Bot Manager, which was entirely built with our products and now processes billions of requests per month for clients around the world. Our vision for Edge Functions is clear. We are committed to natively supporting as many market frameworks, libraries, and IoT as possible, and to maintaining support for the latest versions in the shortest possible time after their release. We want you to have the freedom to use the tools you love, running on the most high-performing, scalable, and reliable platform. And all of this is the beginning of what we are doing with Edge Functions. We believe that building your application should be simple and accessible to everyone, and Edge Functions is the realization of that vision. To get started now, head to the console or CLI and create your first application. It's fast, it's easy, and you'll be amazed by the performance. And now, what makes our platform even more powerful is what you can achieve when you connect your applications to a database designed for a distributed infrastructure, Edge SQL.
Azion SQL is a serverless database that automatically scales with your application, with no need for configuration or infrastructure management. Compatible with the ACID model, Edge SQL combines high read performance with on-demand scalability. Based on libSQL and replicated across hundreds of Azion data centers worldwide, it uses an eventually consistent architecture optimized for ultra-low latency in read operations, ensuring your data is always close to where your users are located. We are very proud of our architectural and implementation choices for Edge SQL, and it's truly amazing what you can build with it. It is already the highest performing database in the world for read operations. To ensure your applications deliver exceptional experiences under heavy demand, Edge SQL is the ideal choice. It handles millions of requests daily, across a wide variety of use cases. With Edge SQL, you can build real-time recommendation systems, globally accessible product catalogs, and ultra-fast price quoting systems. Everything runs close to your user, so you don't have to worry about scaling or managing the infrastructure. We are committed to making your experience simpler and more efficient. That's why we've made it easy to migrate existing databases to Edge SQL, such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, and others. Now, you also have native integration with Prisma, LineGraph, and direct automation on 8n. Connect to leading tools, Terso, Neon, Fauna, Drizzle, or any REST-based database like MongoDB. An open data ecosystem, ready to scale on our distributed network. Soon, we'll have a dedicated console interface for Edge SQL, along with detailed real-time metrics and logs, so you can monitor and optimize the performance of your databases with Azion. To simplify adoption and accelerate your development with Edge SQL, We've already made a series of examples and templates available on our GitHub and also in the Create area of our console. We believe that the application primitives we're building at Azion will transform the way applications are created and scaled. With that in mind, we are working to support applications with extremely high write loads on Edge SQL, while maintaining the same principles of scalability, performance, and security. If you have use cases that require this type of usage, please reach out to our product team. Start using Edge SQL today. But to run high-performance applications and deliver content with outstanding performance, it's essential to have a reliable place to store everything from static files to videos, images, and logs. That's exactly where Azion Edge Storage comes in. Azion Edge Storage is an object storage service that combines the scalability, availability, and security of traditional cloud storage with the performance of our distributed infrastructure. And best part, no egress costs between Edge storage and Edge applications. It's a true game changer for both the performance and cost of applications that rely heavily on asset usage. Azion's Edge storage already hosts dozens of petabytes of data for clients, supporting a wide range of use cases: static websites, video repositories, images, logs, and any type of unstructured data. All of this is accessible in a simple and powerful way. And it uses the S3 protocol, as you know. And we have important news about Edge storage. We know that migrating your data to a new platform can be a challenge. That's why we created the Universal Data Migration Program for all clients, available for any data size, and yes, it's free. We want to remove barriers so you can bring your data to Azion and RAG take full advantage of our platform's benefits. Edge storage is at the core of many of our recent innovations, including our orchestration, database, and compute solutions. Its reliability, cost, and performance are unbeatable, and we are very proud of what we have built. But we continue to work to support an even greater number of use cases. And soon, the product will be fully integrated into the Azion console, with usage metrics, performance data, and detailed logs. Edge storage is already available today and will be released for general availability in the third quarter of 2025. All this innovation in our products is only possible because of the incredible work we do on the fundamentals of our platform. And to share with you what's behind all of this and how we are preparing Azion for the future, I'd now like to invite our CTO, Marcos.
At Azion, we are solving some of the most complex problems in networking, computing, and security. And it's fascinating to see what our customers are building with our platform. For more than 10 consecutive years, we have taken pride in delivering the highest level of service availability in the market. And we continue to work tirelessly to improve the performance and reliability of each of our components. Every day, we work with a clear goal to ensure that your application is always available, with high performance, and ready to face the future. In recent months, we have implemented dozens of improvements for applications using HTTP2 and HTTP3, ensuring that communication between users and applications is as fast as possible. And more is coming. We are evolving the platform to offer native versioning for all products and their configurations, with deployment and rollback in just 300 milliseconds. That's right. We are building the infrastructure that will support the future of distributed applications, with the reliability and scale your business needs. Our engineering vision is clear: to continue ensuring the reliability, performance, and scalability of the applications running on our platform, always pushing the boundaries of computing to meet the most demanding needs. If you want to dive deeper into these or other technical updates, explore details of our architecture, or understand how everything connects, visit our blog and technical documentation. We have a variety of content waiting for you.
Today, we covered the main advancements of our platform. We introduced the latest updates to Edge functions, such as support for new APIs and notages and support for various framings, and how we are pushing the boundaries of serverless computing for full-stack applications. We learned more about Edge SQL, the fastest database in the world for read operations, enabling distributed applications with high performance and low latency. We also explored Edge storage, which offers seamless integration, zero egress costs, and a free migration program to make data transfer easier. And behind all of this, we showcase the evolution of our infrastructure, which is becoming increasingly robust, high-performing, and ready to support billions of workloads with the reliability and speed that the future of distributed applications demands. We believe that the power to transform the world should be in your hands. And Azion is building the web platform for the future of applications. A platform that gives you the freedom to use the tools you know, run your most demanding applications, and scale without limits with maximum performance, security, and reliability without having to worry about the infrastructure. Visit our website, explore our documentation, and try it out in the console. Azion is ready to host and scale your applications today. Tomorrow, we'll have even more exciting news, diving deep into developer experience and our new API.